This wireless Pikachu Bluetooth earbuds are a fun and playful audio accessory designed for fans of the Pokemon. When you open it, it says Pika. These earbuds feature a compact, ergonomic design. The Pikachu icon is a multifunction touch page, which can easily and freely play, pause and switch music tracks. You can answer and hang up calls and activate the voice assistant of the smartphone. For comfort and secure grip, it has a sound isolation silicone earbud sleeves. The magnetic contact charging design is used between the wireless earphone and the charging box, which can be started with a light touch. And it's very comfortable to wear. Bluetooth 5.0 and auto pairing. For clear, balanced sound with extended bass. No need to worry about sweat and rain, because it's completely water resistant. Free lanyard, not easy to lose. USB-C port. 15 hours playtime and portable size. With these earbuds, you can show off your love for Pikachu while enjoying your favorite audio content with ease and style. Thanks for watching.